It's Wednesday and the longest week ever of all time. There's big snow coming, and Topper can't quite draw a precise map just yet.
Not yet, and here's the reason why. The storm itself is not over the continental U.S. But the good news is they're going to send an airplane, reconnaissance plane, and we're going to get some data in the models tonight. So we'll have new information at 11 o'clock.
All right, so what do we do know now as of Wednesday?
I mean, this is pretty good. Seeing flakes, 100% chance. 1 to 3 inches, 100% chance. 80% chance of 3 to 6, 70, 6 to 9, and even 50% chance is pretty high for 3 days out.
Yeah.
So
Okay, so how do we get ready for all of that? It's been a while.
It's been a while. I would think make sure your car battery is okay. We're not talking about an ice storm here, just mainly snow, even though it mixes with some sleet. And really, because it's a Sunday, you can kind of enjoy it.
Oh, yeah, the best part.
I predict the breadometer is coming out.
100%.
Oh, yeah. Like 1 loaf, you think? 2, 3,
Keep watching.
4,
Keep watching.
5.